Hello everyone, welcome to my maths class. I am Sandhya and in this series we are going to study class 9 mathematics according to the new CBSE 26-27 curriculum. In today's video we are going to learn a very interesting topic, coordinates. Don't worry if you have never studied this topic before, we will understand everything step by step with simple examples. First let's understand why we need coordinates. Suppose I ask you to locate a particular seat in a class. Saying it's somewhere in the classroom, it's not enough. We need a proper way to describe its exact position. Clear? So coordinate help us to do exactly, they help us to locate the exact position of a point. See, अगर मैंने आपसे कहा कि बेटा कहीं पे आप एक मुझे आपकी प्लेस बता दो तो आप कहीं भी प्लेस कर दोगे. प्लेस करना इज़ ओके, बट अगर मुझे एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन चाहिए उस जगह की, एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन, तो वो अपन कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? इसलिए हम लोगों को किसकी ज़रूरत पड़ी? कोऑर्डिनेट्स की. So the first point is, why is a coordinate? So what is coordinate? Coordinate is position of a point. So here I am writing coordinate is equal to the position of a point. क्लियर? आपको किसी भी चीज़ को प्लेस करना है तो फर्स्ट आपको उसकी पोजीशन मालूम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ठीक है? द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, नाउ वी आर हैविंग a horizontal line. Okay, now I am keeping here arrows and here one more line which is vertical. The first line I have drawn, that is horizontal line, and the next one is vertical line. Now here, see, you all know the horizontal line shows us x-axis and the vertical line shows us y-axis. Okay, and this point, the intersection point, we are saying, or we are denoted as capital O. To locate point on a plane, we use two perpendicular lines. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. The point where these two lines intersect are called origin. Now, we present the origin by the letter O. That is all I have already told. So here we can say, or we can write, x-axis is equal to horizontal line. This could be horizontal and this y is vertical. Am I clear to all? Now, let's draw some points. See, in these horizontal and vertical lines, we are having positive and negative numbers also. So, I am giving at the right side of this origin on the x-axis, all the numbers are moving in positive sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can write here 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right hand side, and at the left hand side the numbers are -1, -2, -3 and -4, same as at the upward of this origin at y-axis, +1, +2, +3, +4, and downward negative, -1, -2, -3 and -4. So here I can say that at the right, positive x, at the left, negative x, upward positive y and downward negative y. ये सारी पोजीशंस आपको यहाँ से पता चल गए. Now the next topic is, or next word is, the Cartesian plane. When we have both the x-axis and y-axis together, they divide the plane into 4 regions. As you can see, first, second, third and fourth. These 4 regions are called quadrant. What is the word? The word is quadrant. Quadrant means the fourth part, or we divide a whole thing in 4th section. So this is our first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. See, if I'm writing here one point, the point is point P 3, 2. Now comes the point important part. Suppose we have a point P, coordinate 3, 2. We write as P bracket 3, 2. The first number tells us the movement along x-axis and the second number movement about y-axis. The first one is showing us x and the second one is showing us y. So we move 3 units to the right, right, and the next 2 unit upward, because इसमें x ये भी positive है और ये भी positive है. Okay. So here I can say that P x comma y. This x shows us x coordinate and this y shows us y coordinate, or we can say this thing px comma y. First we will write x coordinate and then second coordinate, but this is your golden rule, x comes first and y comes second. Let's locate some points. Let's do some practice. So here I am writing some points: a 2 comma 3, b minus 3 2, c minus 2 minus 3, and d 3 comma minus 2. So just remember the golden rule. First we will mark x-axis and then y-axis. The point P, on the x-axis 2 and y-axis 3. So here my 2 is here on the x-axis, and same as at the y-axis, this is your 3. So as you can see, this is our first point, which is a 2 comma 3, and we can write as a. Now the second coordinate is minus 3 b, minus 3 2. So at the x-axis minus 3, but at the y-axis 2. So we can mark here. This is our b point, minus 3 comma 2. Same as for 3, minus 2 minus 3 means the c point is at minus 2, and here we are having minus 3. This is our c point, minus 2 comma minus 3, and for d point 3 comma minus 2. On the x-axis 3, but at the y-axis minus 2. This is our point d 3 comma minus 2. Now we can say that the point 2 comma 3 or coordinates 2 comma 3 lies in first quadrant, same as minus 3 comma 2 lies in second quadrant, and minus 2 minus 3 lies in third quadrant, and 3 minus 2 lies in fourth quadrant. So here we can observe that in first quadrant, the x and y both are positive. In second quadrant, the x will be negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, both negative. And in fourth quadrant, the x is positive but y is negative. This is the thing which you have to remember. Let's do practice. In which quadrant does the point P 4 comma 5 lies? Just pause the video and give me the answer. Just remember, the x is negative but y is positive. Yes, this lies in second quadrant. Now the next point is 6 comma minus 2, means your x is positive but your y is negative. Just remember, pause the video and give the answer. Yes, the answer is fourth quadrant. So in today's class, we learn what coordinates are, the x-axis and y-axis, the origin, positive and negative direction, the fourth quadrant, and how to locate a point using its coordinates. And remember our golden rule, first x and then y. If this video helped you understand the concept, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we will go one step further and solve one more questions based on plotting and reading coordinates. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep practicing.